सेटिंग को हटा रही हूँ, वेटिंग रूम डिलीवरी कर दिया मैंने, सिक्योरिटी, unmute themselves, start video, share screen, शेयर हो गया। ये था very good morning to all of you. How are you all? Can you hear me properly, beta? This is Miss Sadia Kuram, beta. I am taking your class from Miss Haima's ID. There is a problem with my ID. That's why I am going to take the class. Okay, beta, turn on your cameras. Can you hear me? Tell me in your chat box, beta. Assalamualaikum. Once again, how are you all, beta? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, beta? Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Okay, Sheroz, thank you so much. Beta, turn on. I'm fine, beta. Alhamdulillah. Turn on your cameras, beta, all of you. Turn on your cameras, and you have to turn off your mics and tell me, can you hear me? Can you see my screen clearly? My voice is clear to you? Okay, thank you so much. So beta, this is your orientation class, and you all know about me. We were together in our previous class as well. When you were in 7th class, I'm with you, I was with you, and now inshallah we will be together in our next class. I'm going to teach you in future Pakistan studies. So this is your orientation class, and yes beta, thank you so much Hania, Aisha, I'm fine, and hope you all will be fine, inshallah. And first of all, you have to turn on your cameras, beta. So can I see you all? Okay, well done. I can see Iman and Amna and Sada Zainab, Shahroz. Anya, beta, turn on your camera, beta. Okay, well done. Very good. Okay. So, first of all, I want to tell you that, and Shahroz, well done, beta. You are in proper uniform, and you are looking great. And what are you showing me, beta? Shahroz. Okay. So first of all, we have to discuss some uh, rules and regulations about your online classes. Yes, very good. This is your book, PST book. Very good. Okay, Cheros, I can see your book. First of all, as I told you that my name is Miss Sadia Kuram, and I'm telling you about my qualification. I am masters in political science, and also I have done my professional educational degree which is called B.Ed. So as I told you that we were together in class 7th and now we are inshallah we will be together in class 8 as well. So first of all, I want to tell you some reasons of online classes. So why the online classes are conducting nowadays? So as you know, beta, that government of Pakistan closed all the educational institutions like schools, colleges, and universities to control the rapid spread of COVID-19 since March 2020. So off and on, we are going to online classes, and we were on online classes in the past as well. So in response, the HEC has directed the educational institutions to conduct online classes. So almost all the countries are suffering from this virus, and these countries also have started online classes for their students as well. So same like this, we are also going to start our online classes properly, inshallah, in next week. So the purpose behind this initiative is to overcome the educational loss of the students. So you all know that we are facing a very big loss because in the educational department as well, because we are and you are also not going to school and we are not attending the classes properly. So that's why these online classes are necessary for all of you. Is it clear? So if you have any type of query, any type of question, you can ask me in your chat box, beta. Is it clear? Okay. Now I'm going to discuss with you some rules and regulations about your online classes. You should have a an ID card with your own names, and these ID cards to be allowed to enter in the class. No student will be allowed to enter the classroom with irrelevant identity. So I'm going to tell you that Mir Arham Beta, be careful and be focused towards your class. Otherwise, uh, I will put you out of the class. So behave yourself, beta. This is your first class, and you have to listen very carefully all these instructions. And first of all, as I told you, that you have to enter the class with your own name. Is it clear? So no other irrelevant name or fake ID will be accepted. So I'm going to tell you that I have seen some fake IDs in the classroom. So please identify yourself with your original name. Now, next point is no student will be allowed to enter the classroom after 10 minutes of start of the lecture. When we will on regular classes in next week, then you have just 10 minutes to enter the class. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to enter the classroom. Students will not be allowed to turn on their audios during the lecture. Instead, the last 10 minutes will be the discussion minutes, and you have to ask, and you will ask any type of question or query or any type of confusion if you have. So you will ask me in the last 10 minutes in your chat box, or if I will ask you, then you have to unmute your self and you will ask the questions. Is it clear? Okay, it is strongly suggested that students always keep a notebook with them, and I'm also going to suggest you that you have a notebook with you, because now this is your class 8, and the subjects all the subjects which you are going to learn in this or going to study in this class, these are very important subjects as well as Pakistan studies, because all these books are the board class books. Is it clear? So you have to learn all these things very carefully. You have a notebook with you, because this is not an easy thing now. PhD is going to very tough to you all, and you have to note all the important points and all the important examples which I'm going to tell you. You have to note down in your notebooks. Is it clear? Are you listening me, Sharoz, Iman, everybody? Okay. So no student can exit the classroom before the lecture has fully ended. You all know better that you have not to leave the class before the time end. So student must actively participate during the entire class and lecture, and teachers reserve all the rights to ask their students to share their video audios. As I told you earlier, that if I'm going to ask you that unmute yourself, then you have to unmute yourself. And teacher may also ask you the questions time to time to check your attentiveness during the class. Is it clear? Any question? So these are all the rules, different rules and regulations which you have to follow during your online classes. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the chat box. Okay, Shahroz, Iman, Beta, Aisha, if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, these are all the important rules and regulations. Now I'm going to tell you about your textbook. So this is your textbook. As Sharoz has shown me earlier, this book. And yes, Sharoz, very good. Yes, I can see your book better. So this is your book of PST, and we will study almost the four chapters of this book in this year of 8th class, and these are very, very lengthy chapters. That's why we are going to study these four chapters. Like first chapter is based on the ideological basis of Pakistan. Then you can study in this book about the constitutional development of Pakistan. We will read the different type of constitutions in this book. And as I told you in your 7th class, that in your 7th class you have read the chapter Pakistan movement. So this is the continuity of this chapter, Pakistan movement. In this chapter, in this book, now we are going to study the ideological basis of Pakistan, and different. We will study also the different movement of Pakistan, the different movements which were participating in the Pakistan movement, like Firaizi movement, and you can see that the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's movement, and different other movements. And so we will also study the land and climate of Pakistan in this book. And these are four most important chapters which are going to uh, uh, which are we are going to tell you, and you are going to learn these four chapters, like ideological basis of Pakistan, making of Pakistan. As I told you that in the chapter making of Pakistan, you will study about the different movements of the Pakistan movement time, and then we will study the constitutional development of Pakistan, and then land and climate of Pakistan. So these are the chapters, different chapters, and if we have any much time, then we will study some other chapters in this book. So beta, you have to purchase this book, and now I am going to tell you the about the copy. So this is your copy, and you have in single line copy, and you have to maintain. Yes, beta Sharoz, I can see your book. So you have to maintain your copy in well manner, like you have to maintain when we are going when we will start our written work, then you have to maintain your indices in neatly and in very well manners. Is it clear? So you have to write down the midterm as I have to share with you the this way. You have to write the midterm, then you have to write down the syllabus of midterm, which syllabus I will tell you inshallah in the next class properly. And you have to write down in the next page, you have to write down the chapter name very clearly and neatly. Then you have to write down the subtitle. Is it clear? You have to write down the subtitle, and what will be the subtitle? The questions, and if there will be the filling the blanks and anything. But I want to tell you that in your 8th class, there will be the long questions and short questions. Is it clear? There will be some long questions, and then we will attempt the short questions. And short questions, there will be number of short questions. So you have to work very neatly, and when I will give you any assignment, you have to copy down this assignment within the specific time. Don't do this that in previous classes we experienced that students were not going to attempt their questions within the specific time, but this is not the right way beta. अगर आप टाइम पर काम नहीं करेंगे तो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, क्योंकि अभी आपकी कोई क्लास इस तरह से नहीं है कि 1 or 2 पेजेस का क्वेश्चन होगा. There will be very long questions having 5 to 6 pages. So you have to write down side by side your assignments. When I will give you your assignments, then you have to write down these questions, long questions or short questions on time. Is it clear? अदरवाइज आप बहुत पीछे रह जाएंगे और फिर इसको कवर अप करना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Is it clear? So there are some other important things which I want to tell you, and I want to share with you about your CTs and about your assignments and midterm. So first of all, I want to discuss with you these type of some important points. And first of all, beta, you have to do your work very neatly and in great manners. And so first of all, very important thing which I want to tell you, that your copy should be well maintained, and you have 2 copies. Is it clear? In the physical classes, there will be the copy 1 and copy 2, and copy 2 will be used for test as a test copy. Is it clear? But in the online classes, you have to use it as copy 1 and copy 2. These are 2 alternate copies. Then we will give you the specific date for copy checking. Then 1 copy will be with us, and 1 copy, other copy will be with you. So it will be easy for you to attempt all the assignments. Is it clear? Any question? If you have any question, you can ask me in your chat box. Okay. Then, as I told you that you have two copies, copy 1 and copy 2. So all the indices will should be well maintained. You should put on the date and everything in your copy, chapter name and date and questions. So your indices will be well maintained. Is it clear? So there will be two copies as I told you. Beta Mir Arham, turn on your camera. Beta Hania Khurshid, Hania Fahim, all of you turn on your cameras. Beta. Turn on your cameras. Beta. Okay. Well done. Very good. Well done, all of you. Well done. So, as I'm going to tell you about your copies. So, how to do your work? As I told you that index, your indices, your title page, your subtitle should be well maintained. Is it clear? So, importance of homework is what is the importance of your homework? So, as I told you that I will give you the assignments and your assignments, all the assignments having 10 marks. Is it clear? So we will give you the specific marks according your assignments, but your assignments beta should be neat and clean. You should have to write down the all the assignments by yourself, and no marks will be given if your assignments are will not in your handwriting. Is it clear? No other handwriting like parents or siblings will be accepted, and the marks will not be given to you at in this condition. Is it clear? So you have to write down all the assignments by yourself. And one other important thing which is very necessary, and I'm going to tell you that your assignments will be presentable. Is it clear? You should have to do your work very neat and clean. I agree that it will be very tough for you because there will be very lengthy questions now in the PST, but you should have to make your work very, very presentable. There, no negligence will not be accepted regarding your assignments. Is it clear? Okay. Now I'm going to tell you that in till your midterm there will be two CTs and two MTs. Is it clear? Two CTs and two MTs. In the past, when you were attending your physical classes, the marks of CTs were not be included in the exams result, midterms result. But now we are in the previous year in 2020, and now in this session we will include the marks of CTs and CTs as well, like MTs in the midterm result. So you should be very careful about your CTs, and you should be focused towards your CTs and MTs. Is it clear? So CTs, all the CTs will be having 10 marks each, and MTs having 25 marks. Is it clear? So till midterm, there will be two CTs having 10 marks each and two MTs having 25 marks each. And you should be attentive, and you should have to attempt all the CTs and MTs very carefully, and you should be fully prepared for your CTs and MTs. Is it clear? So marks of each CT and MT will be included in your exams. Is it clear? So there are some other important points which you have to follow in your next classes, especially as I said that Sharoz is sitting in a proper uniform. So same like that, everybody should be in uniform in the next classes, and you should wear proper uniform. Your environment should be proper, neat and clean, and where you are going to sit, you should be isolated there, and or you should be in proper uniform there. Your camera should be turned on, and all the cameras should be focused on your faces, and your mics should be turned off. When I will ask you, or I will give you any type of instruction to turn on your mic, then you have to turn on your mics. So all these rules and regulations are beta necessary for you, and these are all your for your better classes. And if you will follow all these rules, then we will conduct the classes in good manners. Is it clear? Okay. Now these are all the instructions, and now I'm going to check your chat box. If you have any question, then better you can write down about your book, about rules and regulations, about your copy. You can ask me in your chat box. Okay, Ramla, any question? If you have any question, you can ask me. Ania, what are you trying to ask me? Okay, well done, Sharoz. Okay, very good. Okay, Ramla. Okay, Ramla, I will show you the book once again. Okay. Yes, Ania, beta. Yes. Okay, Sharoz, very good. If you have maintained your copies, then it is good. But you all have to maintain your copies same like this. As I told you that you have to write down the midterm, then the syllabus of midterm, and when we are going to, we are going to start our assignments, and I will give you the assignments. You have to write down properly the chapter name and the subtitle, and then you have to start your work. Yes, beta, both copies, Zainab. Yes, beta, Sada Zainab, both copies are. Yes. Okay, Anya. Thank you so much. Okay. Any other question? Okay, beta, I'm going to show you, Ramla. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, Ramla, you can see your textbook. This is your textbook of PST. Yeah, I'm going to show you the book. Is it clear? Okay. So I have to tell you all the rules and regulations, all the I have given you all the introduction of your copies, notebooks, and I told you that there must be two copies, copy one and copy two. And I told you about your CTs and MTs and their marks, and I told you also that you have to sit properly. Your environment must be isolated, and you should turn on your cameras, and the cameras should be focused on your faces. Now I have some time, so I want to tell you about your book. So your book is having three types of branches, and these three branches are in one notebook, sorry, one textbook. So you have to there are some chapters of history, there are some chapters of civics, there are some chapters of geography. Same like that, which book you have read in your seventh class. We studied in seventh class as the chapter United Nations. Is it clear? This is the chapter taking from civic. Civic means the life of society. Is it clear? So there are different in your seventh class book. There were different topics from our society, from the world. There were some different chapters like climate of the world, which is from the branch of geography. So we also studied the chapter Pakistan movement, which is from the branch of history. So same like that. Now your this book is also having different branches. Is it clear? Like history, civics, geography. So in history, we will inshallah study about the different movements of the Pakistan struggle, and making of Pakistan. And in this book, we have a chapter of ideological basis of Pakistan, in which we will study about the different bases, sources, and what is the meaning of ideology, and different things we will study in this chapter. And same like this, we will study about the constitutional developments of Pakistan in this chapter. Yes, Sharoz, you want to ask something? Beta, you can ask me the question. Yes, Sharoz, beta. Why are you raising your hand, beta? Sharoz, you want to ask me something? Okay, write down in your chat box, beta. Hurry up, we have very short time, beta. No, no, beta, it is not necessary that we have not to make any type of sections like your science subject, but I'm just introducing you about your book, and I'm telling you about your books, different aspects of your book. So we will just give the chapter name and we will start our work. Okay, thank you so much, Sharoz. Any other question, beta? Any other student? Iman, Sada Zainab, Anya, beta. Adan, beta, turn on your camera, beta. Any question regarding your book, regarding your notebook, anything? Inshallah, beta, this will be very interesting experience, and we will enjoy. And I will give you, inshallah, very different examples, and I will show you the different pictures from history, and we will, inshallah, enjoy this subject, and we will make it very interesting, and inshallah So if you have any question, we have just 4 minutes, and I'm going to tell you something more about your book. So if in the meanwhile, if you have any question, you can ask me, you can raise your hands, and I will give the answers of your questions surely. So as I told you that in this book, first chapter will be from ideological basis of Pakistan. Then the second chapter is making of Pakistan. As you studied in seventh class, the Pakistan movement chapter. So same like this, in this chapter, we will studied different movements like Muslim League, like the Congress and Farazi movement, and different other movements and different other peoples, about different other peoples who were the who were the part of the Pakistan movement. Then there will be the third chapter of constitutional development. As you have studied in the seventh class, the three constitutions, and there was a very short review of the constitutions of Pakistan. Now we will study in detail the constitutional developments of the different constitutions in Pakistan. So all these chapters have different criterias and different type of the chapters. Some chapters are from history, some from civics, some from geography, and also we will study the chapter land and climate of Pakistan in detail. So these are all the different chapters of your book, and inshallah we will study all these chapters. And now time is running, so if you have any question, you can ask me, beta. Most of the students have turning on their cameras, but some students are not turning on their cameras, and this is not good, beta. Yes, Ramla, I can see you. Okay, very good. Beta, remember this thing that now in your next class you should wear your uniform properly, tie up your hairs, and also sit properly, and well done all of you, beta. All the students are listening me very carefully, and all, especially Shahroz, Iman, Sada Zainab, Ania, Khurshid, Ramla. Well done, beta, and thank you so much for giving your time and taking your class very in very proper manners. And inshallah, in our next classes we will have much fun. Obviously हम पढ़ेंगे तो सही, लेकिन साथ साथ थोड़ा सा इंजॉय भी करेंगे, क्योंकि आपका ये जो आपकी बुक है थोड़ी ड्राई है, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह we will have a great fun, and thank you so much. Best of luck for your new classes, and take care. Allah Hafiz. बस लास्ट मिनट